I took a break, lost my rhythm, and felt stuck. So I'm giving myself 100 days to restart. 100 days of studying, discipline, and becoming a better version of myself. This is day one. You walk in, sun meets your face, turn my brain in the glittering lace. Okay, guys, I got up. Let's start. First, I'll write my to-do list of today, and after that, we'll try to follow. I should follow today. Today is my first day. Let's see. Okay, I'll do my bye.
Can we have lunch, please?
Okay, then the first session is over. So I have to have some food. I have to cook. I'm going to make porridge today. That's time I'm doing for the first time. Let's see how it goes. Hi. Don't bother that. I have to wash it afterwards. Egg rice. Yes. Me and my sister, we will have this after. One glass. For this name, but the intro.
Oh no.
And see you afterwards. Bye. Then we'll see how our porridge has turned out. Yeah, I'll show you. It didn't turn out as porridge. Oh. Wait. Tastes good. It should be watery, but my porridge turned out to be a rice mixed with green gram. I'll show you. Okay, we'll add water and boil it for a while. Let that boil there. We'll make our soya fries. It is like I have kept it for boiling. I'll show you. By one hand, I don't have any stand or tripod. So after that, I'll show you. Now it's ready. I'll show you. It should turn out like this. It will be very tasty and it's very healthy also. But initially I didn't like it. But after, eventually, put caramel. Show you my soya. So we have to marinate it with masalas. After that, I'll show you the video. Marinate it like this. Well, I'll taste it. मुझे hot.
1 hour later.
Yeah, I'm too so tired. I'm going to do some quality answer writing.